The Sovol SV06 Plus offers a generous build volume in a familiar i3 style frame, giving hobbyists and tinkerers plenty of room for larger functional parts and cosplay pieces without demanding a complicated setup. Its all-metal hotend is designed for sustained high-temperature printing, so you can move beyond basic materials and experiment with more demanding filaments while keeping extrusion consistent. The direct drive extruder with planetary gearing feeds filament very precisely, which noticeably improves detail on flexible and small parts and reduces the likelihood of under-extrusion artifacts. A responsive touchscreen with a clean interface makes day-to-day operations straightforward, from preheating and leveling to starting prints, even for users who are new to open frame machines. Automatic bed leveling with a dense probing pattern does a reliable job compensating for minor bed imperfections, helping the first layer adhere well across the entire build surface. The flexible textured build plate and quiet 32-bit control board together make the printer pleasant to live with, as finished prints release easily, and the machine runs with a low, unobtrusive noise profile.